Bollywood actors win hearts of millions of girls by their macho men act. Girls faint when these men say any romantic dialogue or jump off a building to save their lady love. But there is another side which leaves their female fan following speechless. We are talking about actors dressing up as a woman on screen. Let's see which actors created gender confusion in movies. Starting with the Shahenshah Amitabh Bachchan, who gave industry its one of the best songs, Mere Angne Mein. The number became one of the most favorite songs for all functions and events. When Kamal Haasan enacted the role of an elderly lady in Chachi 420, it was considered as Bollywood's one of the best makeup miracles. This comedy flick entertained the audience completely and Kamal emerged as a true actor. Govinda took help of female attire in Raja Babu to win over Karishma's attention. However, Govinda once again was seen in a female avatar in Auntie No. 1. The movie failed miserably, but Govinda's performance didn't go unnoticed. Mr. Perfectionist Aamir Khan does everything in style. So when he was offered a role in Baazi, where he would require playing a woman, he made sure many jaws dropped. And obviously, he succeeded. Shreyas Talpade and Javed Jafri turned into two beautiful girls to get an apartment on rent in paying guests. Even though the movie bombed badly at the box office, the drag acts by the two actors were a pleasure to watch. It seems that Shreyas enjoyed being a girl. That can be the only reason that he readily repeated the act. In Golmaal Returns, all the four leading men disguised themselves as women, bringing out humor in its own unique way. Salman Khan too went for a feminist act in Jaan-e-Man. Well, it was quite strange to see Sallu, who is known for his perfect physique, in a short dress. Chocolate boy Shahid Kapoor too joined the brigade when he donned a short skirt with a pink top and blonde wig in Milenge Milenge. But it's actor Ritesh Deshmukh who gave this drag act a whole new meaning. Ritesh, draped in Indian attire, could give any girl a run for her money. By far, he is the best actor who carried off the female look brilliantly. So who is your favorite among these beautiful and gorgeous men? This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.